on Slate, released in 1974 as the lead single from the band's first soundtrack album. This studio album, Slate in Flames. The song was written by lead vocalist Noddy Holder and bassist Jim Lea and produced by Chef Chandler. It's time for the day calendar. On this Sunday, December 22nd, it's the 356th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 9 days remain until the end of the year. Events on this day, in 1937, the Lincoln Tunnel opens to traffic in New York City. 1963, the cruise ship Laconia burns 290 kilometers north of Madeira in Portugal with a loss of 128 lives. 1971, the International Aid Organization, Doctors Without Borders, is founded in Paris, France. And a year later, the Chilean Air Force finds 14 survivors 2 months after their plane crashed in the Andes. 1989, German reunification. Berlin's Brandenburg Gate reopens after nearly 30 years, effectively ending the division of East and West Germany. 2018, a tsunami caused by an eruption of Anak Krakatau in Indonesia killed at least 430 people and injured almost 1,000 more. Born on this day, 1864, Herman Heyemans, Dutch author and playwright. 1998, Casper Ruud, Norwegian tennis player. Born on this day, 1949, Robin Gibb, English singer-songwriter and producer. And in 1950, Alan Williams from English pop band The Rubettes. In 1888, on this day, Carl Zeiss, lens maker, he created the optical instrument designed on that day. And we are talking about vision.